What?
What?
What do that duck do sometimes?
Swims.
Then what?
Flies.
Flies and what?
Lays eggs.
Plays eggs. What
Yeah.
does they? What do they sound like?
It sounds a little. It's kind of weird. It sounds sort of like a thing.
Oh,
like-
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you explain that again? I didn't understand.
Well, it's like, and then they do another. It's like they're trying to talk in some way. I just don't really understand it.
All right.
So I'm trying to research. I don't really understand.
Okay. You can research it.
You gotta look up ducks. Duck. No, not an I, a U.
You bad at texting.
Wait, hold
Don't be a.
on. No, wrong one. Wrong one. Ducks with a U. Duck.go. Ducks.
There you go. Oh, wait.
Ducks Unlimited. Alright. No, not that. Not the Oregon Ducks. See? That's a duck.
That's a duck.
Yeah, it's just like the ones that I get at camp. Yeah.
Can make that sound the way it sounds like.
Why did you break the
Thank you for nice working with you.
Oh, nice one.
Shaking on that.
Yeah.
So you still got ducks.
Yeah. Ducks. Ducks.
Oh, did turn white too?
Yeah. White? No, ducks are black.
Okay.
Yeah, ducks.
Huh.